This chapter is on pediatric IVs. Now, because these drugs are to be given to young children, many are too strong and must first be diluted. And you'll also see the flow rate formula here because on some of the questions we have to use this formula. So let's look at number 1. An IV medication of 75 milligrams in 3 mLs is ordered diluted to 55 mLs to infuse over 45 minutes. And they want us to find the volume of diluent as well as the flow rate in GTT per minute. And that's using a microdrip set. So the medication already has 3 mLs, and we're trying to dilute it to 55 mLs. So to figure out how much diluent we need to add, we just need to subtract 3 from 55. And that will get us 52 mLs. Next, I want to find the flow rate. So I want to use the formula. And I know that this is 60 because it says microdrip. And the time is 45 minutes. Now for the milliliters, I want to use all 55. So the patient gets all 55 milliliters. So don't put the 52 here because that's just the diluent. So we actually don't use the 52 in the second part, because again the patient is to receive all 55 mLs, not just the 52 mLs of diluent. So if I calculate this, 55 times 60 divided by 45, and we round this to the nearest whole number, we get 73 GTT per minute.